How to hide Instagram posts from someone without blocking them. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hide Instagram posts from someone without blocking them. Now, let us get started. First, open up your Instagram. After you open your Instagram, you might want to go to the profile of the person that you want to hide your Instagram posts from. So, there is no particular feature that allows you to hide your Instagram post from someone without blocking them, but there is a feature that will allow you to minimize the interaction between that profile or that person. So the only thing you can do without blocking them is by restricting them. So just tap on the three dots on the top right like I did and tap on restrict. After doing that, you will be able to minimize interaction. So that is how you do it, guys. That is how you can minimize interaction, but you cannot actually hide Instagram posts from someone without having to block them. And that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.